I have a new folding fire grate for the octagon setup. So let's get out the actual octagon. These are my fire sticks. And we're going to need 2 fire pan tins. I'm going to set up 1 fire pan tin this direction, and 1 will be set up this direction. Normally with the octagon you set them up both this way, but I'm going to go this way, open this up, and let me get that down into its position. Get those tabs through their designated holes just like that, like this. This will be my oven lid that goes on top. But then these right here, these are a cool new part, and they clip on just like that. Okay, now I brought a couple sets of them. I have 4 altogether, but I can put my grill there. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to put another set aiming inward right here. Our air baking pan here, just like that. To get that to set up correctly, it needs to go just like that. And then we'll set up this is our segment of 6 panels. Fit that in there by sliding the edge of the box up in between that hinge curl and this panel. That just allows this panel to go outside of the box, and it locks this in place. There's a rolled edge here on this fire pan tin, and you want to capture both of those behind that rolled edge. So you kind of have to push that back, and then you can raise and lower your oven lid. Here's my pan. So it's pretty close, but it looks like it will actually fit. We'll get some wood in there, and that'll block the wind a little bit. And this is the first time I've ever put anything on our new little pot supports there, so let's give it a try. Just gonna put them way out there, make it a good test. You can see they do kind of have the potential of swinging a little bit, but if you just set it down straight, it seems to work quite nicely. I think my water's boiling. These new little pot stands, they're kind of an L shape. You can just hang them off the edge anywhere. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
That's what's supporting the oven back there. Will you do me a favor? Just rub butter all over the inside of that pan.
A few moments later.
Move that around until it's covering all the sides of the pan. That should be enough. Just kind of, bump it around. Here we have our eggs. I'm just going to try to put maybe 1 in here. See how that goes. There's 1.
Is that a good amount?
Yep, that looks good.
Okay.
Coffee. Just need to open our lid. I'm just going to slide my air bake pan forward. Put a couple of these big old coals back here. Slide our air bake pan back a little bit. Should be enough cake mix. I guess after it rises. We do have some cream cheese frosting, of course, into our oven. I'm just going to set this here for now. Let it start heating up. And you can see we've got our cake there in our oven. Just like that. We'll just let that work. We got our cake bacon. Is our cake bacon? Or is our cake that's baking? Nothing's as beautiful as bacon frying. What do you think, son?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Oh wow. Look at that fire.
Beautiful thing. I think I'm going to rotate it. The breeze is pushing the heat over this side. Alright, we gotta keep this bacon moving. It's moving pretty fast.
Oh man, those are done.
Yeah, those two are done. Let's get these two over there in that hot spot. That one might be close too. Yeah, that's done too. Those two will be done real soon. We should just get them off, keep them safe. Take good care of our bacon, huh?
It's only good till it's burnt.
That's right. I'm going to take this pan off just for a second because my fire's a little too hot for eggs. What I'll do is just push this back here.
Should we check on our cake?
Yeah, let's look at our cake and see what it's doing. Ooh, look at that.
Oh wow.
Rising up.
The backside's a bit more toasty, but it's pretty even so far.
Salt and pepper on our eggs. The way those eggs were in that bottle, we ended up with a lot more egg whites. Oh, I'm breaking yolks. Those are not the most beautiful eggs I've ever made, but they will taste pretty good, I hope. Let's try to check our cake. Let's see if this comes up clean. Oh, I think it still needs more cooking. Look at that, it's still doughy. There. Anything topped with bacon looks good, so I'm gonna go eat this breakfast. I'm gonna slide this forward. There's still quite a bit of heat coming up out of there, but I'm gonna go ahead and drop, since we have these coals here, I'm gonna go ahead and drop them back there just in case we're running low on heat. And then we'll just push this back. We still have that little air space, but that should help us finish off that cake. Might be a good idea to rotate the cake. I'm just gonna do that real quick, just in case there is a difference from front to back. I'm sure there is. And that'll even things up. I may have gotten some of this bacon a little overcooked. Let's try it. Nope, it's good. Let's try some of these eggs. This pan got pretty hot there for a minute. But let's try it. Ooh. So hot. Those eggs are still good.
I don't really care if you can cook eggs good, as long as you can cook the bacon.
And I am good at cooking bacon, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go check that cake.
Okay.
I think our cake is done. Let's do one more test just to make sure. And yes, it is done. Let me get a plate.
Oh, that looks good.
Let's take our cake over to the picnic table and we'll plate it up. It's very hot. Ooh, look at that, guys.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. That's as nice as it gets. Let's see how it looks in the middle.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
That's a beautiful cake.
What kind of cake is it?
It's just a yellow box cake.
Yummy.
Yeah, I was going to put lemon in it, but I couldn't find my lemon. But I do have lemon in my frosting. Yeah.
Yeah, lemon and blueberry will be yummy.
Let's do this. We'll kind of spread things out here. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's a beautiful cake. It really turned out nice. Cream cheese frosting. Beautiful blueberries.
Those are the fruit stand berries too. They'll be yummy.
Ooh. Cooked to perfection. I'm going to go ahead and take my first taste. Cream cheese frosting. Blueberries. Oh yeah. So that's awesome. The oven works with the octagon and the hexagon. The new parts worked really well. Everything turned out great. Except for my eggs. They weren't that fantastic, but you win some, you lose some. But this was definitely a win. Beautiful cake. Here you go, buddy. Try some of the cake. Here, give me a bite. That is good. It's the good stuff.
I'm in heaven.